Hello my little artist. Welcome back to another fun-tastic drawing adventure. Today, we're drawing someone you all love, it's Mario. And guess what? He's sitting with his cute little super mushroom. So grab your pencil, some colors. And let's get drawing. Let's start with Mario's hat. Draw a big curvy rainbow shape right at the top of your page. Now, add a few lines to finish the front of the hat, just like a cap. From one side of the hat, draw a round cheek, and connect it to the other side to make his ear. He's already starting to look familiar. Let's draw two big oval eyes. Now a smaller oval inside each one. And then a tiny circle in the center. Draw a big round nose in the center of his face, like a jelly bean. Just under the nose, draw his fluffy mustache, like a cloud with bumps. And color it all black. Fill in the middle oval with blue, but leave a tiny white spot for that shiny sparkle. Above each eye, draw thick eyebrows, like little orange slices. That gives Mario his serious look. Draw a line coming down from his face, that's his body. Now two round shoes at the bottom. Time to draw his overalls and shirt. One hand is reaching out. And the other hand is touching the ground, because Mario is sitting. Let's add a little heart and a super mushroom beside him. Great job! Draw a round shape on his hat for Mario logo. For Mario's face, use a soft peach color. Don't forget the red letter M on his hat. Color his hat and shirt bright red. Now color the heart and the mushroom with bright red too. His pants go blue. His hair and shoes, brown. And the little round buttons? Yellow like the sun. Outline everything, Mario, the heart, and the super mushroom, with a thick black marker. This will make your drawing pop right off the page. And we're done. Look at that amazing Mario you just drew. See you in our next drawing adventure. Until then, keep coloring and stay awesome, my little creators.